Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can find invitation links in your Business Pro account. So here we're in our Sessions tab, and we're going to choose one of our sessions to find the invitation link. So let's click this one. And when we click here, we can see this little link. We can copy the invitation link if we need to send it to the signer or anyone else. Now, there's another way for us to find the invitation link for this session. If we go to continue, we can join the session. And when we're in the session, we can go to this plus sign to add signers, but we can also find the invitation link inside the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.